Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Diletta with us in the shop. This machine is somewhat of a warranty repair, but we did end up doing new repairs on it, mainly new repairs. Here, let me just try to move it a little bit more. Pretty much it went back to the customer and it started overheating quite a bit, and mainly that's very simple, function to clean up. Usually it's because of the pressure stat or maybe just scale buildup went in there. The issue is this Diletta has a different type of pressure stat. As you can see, it has some sort of a combo valve on the bottom connected to the pressure stat that cannot be disconnected. Maybe, but it's probably not even worth it, nor can you buy this single part on its own. And so we had to replace the entire thing. And when we took it off, it would be hard to see on camera, but inside of there is caked with scale if you looked on the inside of it. And so definitely just a scale issue. So we replaced this entire combo valve. This valve goes on the left side of the machine, facing like this, and controls a lot of just water flow, and then of course the steaming to tell the boiler to turn on and turn off. I did adjust it to about 1.3 bars, 1.2-ish, and then it cuts off, goes down, goes back up. And I did descale this machine. This is a heat exchanger type of machine, so I descaled the heat exchanger part, which is the pipe that runs through brewing, and then I also descaled the steam boiler, and the water did change color, so there was quite a bit of steam in there, but I ran it until it ran clear, and then we flushed it out. I usually recommend when you do get these machines back just to do a few more flushes, just to make sure. And yeah, we're not really going to brew a shot, but we are just going to run the water, mainly test the steam, because the steam function is the part that will tank the pressure set, and then we could check if it's actually working pretty well. As you can see, it is working as of right now, but we will just release some water out through the hot water tap just to show steam running really well, and then just to run a little bit of hot water. Put a pump kicks on, and then I'm going to run the steam just to empty out the steam boiler, and we're going to watch it cook up to your temp just to see if it does turn off and senses how much pressure is in there. So as you can see, it's going to start slowly building up. That steam boiler is going to keep filling that boiler until it hits that water level probe, and it's slowly going to build up. Did continue the video now that we're at 1 bars, and we're going to see go past 1. It does take a little bit, but again, we did cool it off quite a bit with a lot of cold water running it through here, and so it takes a little bit longer to warm up, but that's perfectly fine. And as you see, about 1.3 it turns off. It's going to slowly go down, and then it's going to turn itself back on and continue as normal. That's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of the other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.